Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, El Cuatro Official. And for today's video is i-answer ko po yung question ni Ma'am Iris Ligaspi 3383. It's 1 month ago na po kasi bago pa lang po ako nag-open ng mga comments doon sa YouTube ko. And yung question na is, currently working ka pa rin po ba sa Bold Business? Mahirap po ba ang hiring process nila and interview questions? So, before we start answering the question, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the notification button para ma-notify po ako kayo sa mga next videos ko. So, going back, currently po, hindi na po ako nag-work sa Bold Business. So, yun nga po guys, if you are working from home or as a freelancer, kailangan po tayo may mga backup tayo na internet and backup power source po tayo if in case na magkaroon ng internet interruption or power outage sa area. So, one of the reason that I was not connected to them, it's because they're very strict when it comes to, you know, power interruption, internet outage. So, kaya guys, na kailangan yung magkaroon ng backup if in case na gusto nyo mag-apply sa Bold Business. So, pero rehireable naman po ako sa kanila and they are trying to transfer me to a different account. But right now po, pinag-iisipan ko pa because I am currently waiting po as a job na in-applyan ko as a VA. And currently I'm working sa isang client na ako po yung nag-follow up ng mga gap exception or NAP review. So just an overview po, yung gap exception is if ang doctor is out of network, kami po yung gumagawa ng submission and also do follow-ups na sa insurance company so that yung doctor na yon will be considered as a network at mababayaran po siya ng insurance company. And currently po, I am waiting sa Virtual Workforce Pro. So, hinihintay ko po sa kanila kasi they were going to schedule me for a client interview. So, ganun po. Kasi hindi naman po loaded yung trabaho ko sa isang client kasi magbibigay lang siya ng task and then yun lang po. That's the time na magpa-follow up po ako. So, even though na hindi po siya loaded pero I am paid for 9 hours. So, it's a very good thing and I'm very happy po na nagkaroon po ako ng ganong client na mabait and then hindi po masyadong strict when it comes to hindi naman po siya ng like mag-ano ka na lang hindi naman po na magpipitex-petex ka lang kasi wala kang trabaho, but you need to do your best in every job. So, ganun po. But if you want to apply sa Bold, they have a Facebook page and also they have their website. Ipopost ko na lang po yung link nila doon sa comment section. So, yung process po ng application sa Bold Business is first, yung parang may tatawag sa iyo through phone call. They were going to ask you parang pre-qualification, parang ganon. Tatanungin ka nila if meron kang BPO company na experience, I mean BPO na experience, and also if you do have medical or healthcare account na experience, and your previous job, something like that. Yung tatawag po is HR. And if you are pre-qualified, magsasend sila ng link sa inyo for initial interview. Yung nag-initial interview is Filipino. So, after the interview, but sa end ko po, yung nag-initial sa akin is Indian. And then after the initial interview, assessment. After the assessment, you will be scheduled for a client interview. Yung mag-interview sa inyo is yung client based in the US. And after that, meron pang interview ulit after the client. Like manager interview yata yun. So, after noon is magse sila ng email about the requirements and also the onboarding, and magsa-sign ka ng ano sa kanila ng um, contract, and then after that magtrabaho ka na sa kanila, and yung trabaho is more on back office. So it's an invoice account. Ang ganda po ng Bolt, they have a lot of um, benefits. Meron po silang government mandated benefits, meron silang healthcare, um, and life insurance. So sayang nga po kasi yun yung nangyari, and lesson learned po sa akin na kailangan po talaga na magkaroon po ako na backup, and then hanapan po ng solusyon if ever there's a power outage sa area. So I thank you so much for listening to my video. I hope na na-answer ko po yung question nyo. Ma'am Iris Ligaspi, thank you for po sa pag-subscribe and pag-comment. And that's it for me for today. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Thank you.